City of Detroit, Mrs. Patrice Lofton Smith, case number SP 1244744 SP 1234275, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Ms. Lofton Smith. Please state your name, Ms. Lofton Smith.
Patrice Lofton Smith.
Let me check and see if there's anything else out there. All right, Ms. Lofton Smith, your offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of blocking traffic for the disregarding a red signal. And the other case is going to be, the other 2 cases are going to be dismissed. If you want to take that deal, it'll be a $175 fine.
I want to make sure I understand clearly because of the distortion in the technology. Did you say that it was making a deal where to just be blocking of traffic due to the red light and the other would be dismissed, and therefore the ticket would be $175?
That's exactly right, ma'am.
I just want to know, is there a length giving for the payment? Grace period? Is there a due date or a grace period for me to pay the traffic ticket of $175?
Well, I'd like it paid today. Why do you need it? You need time?
Yes, unfortunately, I'm waiting for unemployment to release my check. And right now I am under identity review.
Say that again, the last part.
I am under, I guess, identity verification or review pending with unemployment agency. I'm right now currently unemployed.
All right.
And I'm waiting for them release.
So you want to take the deal, ma'am?
I would like to take the deal, but I'm just asking hopefully for a grace period.
All right. Will your client stipulate for the face to the face of the ticket at the basis?
So stipulated.
All right.
So stipulated.
All right. With that stipulation, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm going to fine you $175 for the matter. With stipulation of probable cause, I'm going to dismiss the other 2 matters.
Yes.
Ms. White?
Yes.
Yes.
Get that stipulation?
Yes, so stipulated.
All right. When can you, how much time do you need, ma'am?
Because this is a pending matter that I asked unemployment to give me a time on that they're not sure of, I'm asking hopefully 30 days. My car mark, I am a school. Yes.
All right. May the 9th, 2022. I'm going to set it for a review. I'm going to have you back that morning at 8:25 a.m. in the morning. Let's make sure you have it paid by then, all right? And we can close this stuff out.
May 9th, 2022.
May 9th. Yeah, zoom in that morning at 8:25, all right?
8:25 in the morning. Thank you very much.
Have a good day, ma'am. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you all.
Lacey Chapman. I got, let's see, Gaston, you're the 3rd Gaston today.
Okay, that must be lucky then. We must be good.
Let's see, we'll see. All right, I got you checked in, sir. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon to you.
Lacey Chapman.
Yes.
Right. All right, I'm gonna have to wait on you to get an offer on this file. Unless you just want to get it arraigned and come back for a pretrial and get an offer at your next court appearance. What would you like to do, ma'am?
How long would I have to wait for?
All right, I already see that you have 2 counts, and let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Alicia, Nicole, Lacey Chapman, case numbers SP 105 6591, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11631337, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 1239177, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1239410, counts 1, 2, and 3. And 14-44-32271, appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of, please state your name for the record, ma'am. Please
Can you
say
say
your,
that?
yes, Rita White on behalf of Miss Lacey Chapman.
Alicia Lacey Chapman.
All right, based on what I'm looking here, Counselor, she's got one count. The 14 ticket is the 2014 ticket to open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. There's no amendment to that. That's a misdemeanor. That's an alcohol-related offense. There's 2 points on your driving record if you take the plea. The other ticket is open intoxic motor vehicle driving. The only amendment to that is the only offer that what I call a non-offer is the same thing. 2 points on your driving record, an alcohol-related offense, misdemeanor, $240. That's what I see right now. I don't know what else he's gonna offer in all these tickets. However, if your client wants a trial date to see if she can get better than this, then I'll give her that opportunity to do that. Other than that, I'll have to sit back and wait to see if the city attorney, which we have to get one in here, is willing to, what else he's willing to offer. But I know that they're gonna include those 2 alcohol-related offenses.
You might want to set it for a hearing, a trial, because you have 2 options that you may be able to proceed with, is either getting a result to dismiss one, to plead to one. And also, if the officers do not appear at the next hearing that are set for trial, your attorney will be motioning for a dismissal on the tickets. So you have 2 possible benefits to coming back.
Do you want to speak with her in the breakout room, ma'am, or you want to?
Yes.
What do you want to do?
Oh, yeah.
Speak to her in the breakout. I don't know if she's paying attention to me or not.
Yes, I'm listening. Yes, I said I'll come back. It don't. Yes.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room.
And I didn't receive an email of the actual docket. I did email Ms. Nash back, but if I could have it emailed to me.
Okay.
I did. I sent it twice. I sent them. You have a different email address? Because the one I have, I sent it earlier. And just now.
Yep, the one just popped up right now.
Join the room, Ms. White. Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, how you doing?
And Mr. Lloyd Mitchell. Michael Anthony Lloyd, right?
There you go.
Yes, sir, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. All right, I don't see that stuff that's being paid off.
Well, we went down there and paid it.
And they said you pay the rest of it, Secretary of State.
I see you owe 210 for a prohibited term. Oh, maybe they didn't. I don't know. I can't.
That's what they told you to pay back the other money to the Secretary of State.
She told the clerk at the the 36th District Court, I paid $375, and she said I paid the other reinstatement fee at the Secretary of State. We asked her.
I told you to pay $700 some odd dollars.
We told her that your Honor. We told her how much you said, and she said we asked her did she get the stuff over from. We had just left court, and she said that she had everything, and that's what she came up with, and that's what we paid. And she said we paid a reinstatement fee of $125. Now, all I can say is maybe that she didn't do the bond money or something. I don't know.
Well, I see you owe 210 for a prohibited term, 288 for a no proof of insurance, 122 for the driver, the no ops ticket, 25 on the driving while license suspended, and then another 288 on a prohibited left turn, on a no insurance proof. It seems like you're gonna have problems getting this driver's license if you don't get this stuff paid.
So
But she must have applied the bond, because that's come to the 700. Did she apply the bond?
did she apply the bond, Your Honor?
I can't tell you that.
That's probably what she did, because that's what comes to it. You paid 3 something, right?
I paid $375. Yeah,
Okay, and then the 400
The
bond.
400 is 775.
and the 400 is $770. Yeah.
Ask him what can you do to handle it, because she gave you a receipt and told you that you could make your appointments with the Secretary of State. It's okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, she gave me a receipt. I don't know what else I could do, Your Honor. She gave me a receipt, and she told me I could go to the Secretary of State and I could pay the reinstatement fee of $125 for each ticket.
Okay, I'll let you, if you can do it, then you can do it.
And she's applying the bond. Let them know she's applying that 400, and that equals out.
Well, if she's applying that $400 bond money, that equals out to the $775 or so.
No,
And then I pay
I told you 1,100 some odd dollars. And then took off the bond at 760. And then it was 1,160. Took off the bond, it was 760. You know, I don't know. I'll go ahead to the Secretary of State.
Yeah, because you got to pay you got to pay the other $300 at the Secretary of State.
Well, no, ma'am, please. You're not helping. You're not helping. I'm telling them what I see in the computer right here. And if they told you that down at down at the cashier's window, then we'll go with that. But it still shows that you owe the court some money here. So, good luck to you. I think you took care of what we were here today for.
Judge, ask him, did he get a letter from the Secretary of State?
Did you get it? No, well, he hasn't gone to the Secretary of State yet.
Did he go earlier? Because they are charging at 125 again.
No, I know they're gonna charge that 125. He was here today for SP 767-2791. I'm gonna close, all right, this is the city of Detroit versus Michael Anthony Lloyd, case number SP 767-2791. I'm gonna close that out as good. That's gonna be dismissed. Like we said.
Okay, so
City of Detroit. This is also case number 15-4309151. That matter is closed out. It's 17-3367-851 is where I think you're gonna have a problem. That says, but don't go by what I say. It's the Secretary of State at this point, and they've already come down and they told you didn't have to pay this. I don't know why they tell you didn't have to pay this. It's sitting clear at $288. And that's a no insurance proof. And those civil infraction, no insurance proof is White, you need to know this as well. Those no insurance proofs, when they go and get in default, then the Secretary of State, for some reason, the city automatically sends a notice, and we have to go and physically, we've had to go and physically send an email down for every no proof of insurance, even the ones that were paid, so they can clear the reinstatement fee off. That owes $288. For case number SP 767-272, strike that, SP 767-278, count 1 and count 2. The count 2 is another no proof of insurance. Count 1 is a prohibited turn. Let's see, 210 for the prohibited turn, 288 for the no proof of insurance. For SP 967-947, count 1, there's a no ops ticket that you pled to on October 14th, 2020, and you paid it down to $122. It's still $122 balance. And then for the 04-72509, there's a $25 fee. So that's what it reads here. I don't know what they're doing down there. All right, sir?
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna dismiss the case we said we were gonna dismiss, that SP 7672791. All right, so I don't know what more I can tell you, sir.
So do I go back to the court or Secretary of State?
I'm saying your money here. They're saying that you came down and you paid everything. So I'm just telling you what I see right here. You're clear
Right.
with the agreements that we entered into today.
Okay.
I'll pull the file and make sure. All right, let's move on. Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Alicia Nicole Lacey Chat. Giving you an opportunity, ma'am, to speak with the breakout room. What did your client want to do, Ms. White?
Yes, on behalf of my client, she would like to have her matter scheduled for trial.
All right, 6/17/2022 at 9 a.m., Ms. Lacey Chapman. All right?
You said at 9?
Yeah, on all the matters, 6/17/2022 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay,
Have a great day, ma'am.
you too.
Next up is going to be Chanel Grant. What's your name?
Hi,
Goldstein, sir. Goldstein?
I'm okay.
Goldstein. Afternoon to you. Good afternoon, sir.
I was highlighting them. Am I dismissing them too? It's still pending.
No, if it's highlighted, I'll.
I'm highlighting.
I'll see.
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Chanel Carolyn Grant, case number SP 124-0611, SP 124-0676, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Ms. Chanel Grant. Please state your name for the record, Ms. Grant.
Chanel Grant.
All right, Ms. Grant, good afternoon to you. Do you have a driver's license and insurance and proper plates?
I have a driver's license, and then I have to go renew my because they're expired.
I didn't get that, ma'am.
So no. I have my license, but I have to renew my plates. Like my plates are expired. It's no good anymore.
You have insurance?
No, not
Or
this time.
if she has a proper license, Miss White, I'll offer her an improper plate. $240 fine is a misdemeanor, but I'll dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment of the $240 fine. And that won't carry any points or any abstraction to the Secretary of State. That's the deal. You have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am. If you don't want that, take that deal. We can get you a trial date, and I can get you in the breakout room with the attorney White to if you need some help making an informed decision.
Okay, so so both of them will be dismissed if I pay the 240.
Yeah, but speak to the lawyer, ma'am.
So just to clarify, improper plates remaining will be dismissed.
Yes. $240. I'll dismiss the improper plate. Her license is valid. No, let's look up. See.
Is it right here?
Yeah.
Okay. But I know you said you wanted the guy's file. I think he's on a different name. You got down?
I don't need to see the file. No, not really. It's just, you got the little tickets already. That's all it is. Mr. Gray, I have you checked in, sir. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
I said good afternoon. You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, yeah, I said good afternoon. All right, so Miss Graves, Melissa Graves,
Yes.
do you have a driver's license, insurance, and registration for this vehicle?
I have the registration. It said I had what, expired plates?
Expired plates, no proof of insurance, no registration, driving while unlicensed.
Okay, I have my registration. I don't have my license yet.
You have
And at
insurance?
the top, yes, I do have insurance now.
All right, you don't have any way to show me that documentation. Want to come back and bring a driver's license in, registration and insurance?
Okay, when can I do that?
I'll get you a date. The date is going to be June 17th.
You said June 17th?
Yeah, I gotta put it on the record though. I gotta call your name if you want to take the deal.
Okay. Okay, so will I stay on the phone for right now?
No, don't hang up yet. You can throw that up.
Okay. Okay, so stay on the phone.
Stay on the phone, please.
Okay.
And then when you come back on June 17th, you're gonna have to either come down to the court or you're gonna have to provide that, that information to me so I can see it.
Okay, I have insurance. I have my registration, but I don't have my ID. And my place is not, and my place is not expired.
All right, well, you're gonna have to get a driver's license, and when you come back, you gotta bring all that documentation supporting that.
Okay, I have all that, but except for my driver's license.
Ma'am, I cannot see that over the phone.
Right.
So that's why I'm
Right.
giving you another court date, June 17th. When you come back, hold on a second. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Chanel Grant. Ms. Grant, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I'm just asking that you, I'm not sure if this is the prosecutor's office plea or whatnot, but either way, we're asking that you reconsider allowing her to plead responsible to the no plates, which is a civil infraction, with a dismissal on the license violation and the improper no insurance. She's very financially restrained right now, and she has represented.
All right, we can do that.
Okay, thank you.
Want to take that deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to, for the purposes of this plea, do your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated.
All right, will your client stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the misdemeanor matters?
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of expired plate, fine $145, and I'm going to dismiss the other two counts. When can you pay this $145, ma'am?
Let's say 30 days.
All right, we give you till May the 9th, 2022. I'm going to set it for review. I want you back at 8:25 a.m. that morning on May the 9th. And I want it paid by then, all right, ma'am?
What time did you say? I'm sorry.
At 8:25 a.m. in the first thing in the morning. If you get here like you did early at 8:25, I'll get you out. And if it's paid, as long as it's paid, I'll get you out right away, all right?
Okay.
It's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Melissa Nicole Graves. Case number.
Yes.
Case number SP 1247646, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1247931. Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Rita White on behalf of Melissa Nicole Graves.
All right, I told Ms. Graves, she says she has proof of insurance, proof of registration, and but she doesn't have a driver's license. I'm going to give her an opportunity to bring a driver's license, proof of insurance, and proof of registration in. I told Ms. Graves that she needs to find a way either to Zoom in next time or come down to the courthouse. I'm going to allow you to speak with her. Her date is going to be June 17th, 2020 at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to put you in a breakout room so you can speak with the lawyer, Ms. Graves.
And this is for a pretrial?
And this is for a pretrial. But I need to be able to verify those documents. So talk to her about some kind of way about coming in or getting those documents to me. I'll put my email address in the chat. And I know that she does not have the chat capability, but you can give her that when you get to the breakout room.
Okay, sure, no problem.
We have a conversation, all right. Join the room, I'm gonna put you in the room, ma'am.
Let me take the email first. Okay.
Sloan Gibson,
Yes.
see what you have, sir. This is operating without security. I don't know. State tickets, right? Second trial. I don't have a state prosecutor in here to give you an offer, sir. And I haven't seen a state prosecutor in a while. What I can do is I can give you a trial date, and we'll deal with it on the trial date of June 17th, 2022. If you like, I'll let you speak with the lawyer if you need to. Let's put this on the record. This is the city of Detroit versus Sloan Sidney Gibson, case number SX. Oh, hold on one second. Yeah. Mr. Gaston.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta
I'm
get
here.
up, sir.
I'm here.
All right. Ms. White,
Yes.
did you give that information?
Yes, she will be coming in.
She's gonna come in person, all right.
In person, yes.
All right, let's go on to, this is the state of Michigan versus Sloan Sidney Gibson. Case number SX4002008, count 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Jonathan Gaston, who is present.
No, that's Sloan Gibson.
Rita White on behalf of Miss Sloan Gibson. Please unmute and say your name, Mr. Gibson.
Sloan Gibson.
I just spoke with Mr. Gibson off the record. He's got 2 state matters. A motor vehicle, no insurance operation without security, and a failed to yield right away. Looks like the state trooper pulled him over. I haven't seen a state attorney in here and I don't know how long. So I give him a trial date, June 17, 2022, 9 a.m. And we'll figure it out then. I can give you an opportunity to speak with you in a breakout room if you choose to, Mr. Gibson, or you can just come back on 6/17/2022.
I'll use this opportunity to speak with Attorney White.
Okay, very well. Join the breakout room, sir. Oh, well, it wasn't Gaston. Yours is Gaston. They were Gatson with a Gatson. So there goes your 3 times. You're the first Gaston today.
Okay.
And then you got another strike against you. You fell asleep in my courtroom. So that's gonna be all right. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Actually it's a little bit more complicated than that. The city of
Is it
LeBron.
yes or no?
No.
That's all it is.
but I would like to adjourn it to a later date. That way I can, because I was driving a company van at the time that I was pulled over. I was working for a company that specializes in getting people with diabetes and of that sort to the hospital and to their appointments. And at the time, I did have a license in Livonia when they pulled me over. It's just that when I came to Livonia, they said that they had never received the payment. So they wanted me to look up the receipt or something during that time. So if I can adjourn it.
You got $175 today?
No.
I don't know what I can do for them then.
Can I adjourn this to a later date where that way I can bring up, that way I can get it dismissed. I really don't want to at that time I had my license when the officer pulled me over. And
I'm trying to get you somewhere you don't have to come back, where it doesn't affect your driver's license or anything. But you don't have $175. You know, if you come back and if you were driving while your license was suspended, regardless of what the story is driving my license suspended.
Well, at the time,
when can you get $175?
About 2 weeks.
All right, let me wait on Miss White. Come on out of here.
It's 145. They charge 145. Expired. It's not my job. Just throw that out. Insurance. That's something.
Unmute your device, sir.
That's great.
I'm here.
Oh.
You said Gray?
I said Gray is interrupting the court.
Oh.
Oh, I'm checking.
All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Sloan Gibson. Sir, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Mr. Sloan Gibson would like to still proceed to trial.
All right, June 17, 2022 at 9 a.m. Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you. I'll see you back then.
All right, thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Jonathan Edward Gaston, case number SP 1243021, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of now, got Jonathan Edward Gaston. Please say your name for the record, Mr. Gaston.
Jonathan Edward Gaston.
All right, his offer is going to be amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Dismiss the license suspended. He gave me this story and I kind of bought it, you know. But at the end of the day, he still doesn't have $175 today.
I can pay that in 2 weeks, sir.
So you want to take that deal, sir?
I would love to take that deal. Thank you.
It's a good deal. No traffic record on it. 0 points.
Yeah, and he basically admitted to driving while license suspended anyway. I don't know why.
I refuse to be muted. This. I'm gonna let you do your thing.
I don't know why people want to come in here and confess all their sins. Mr. Gould, you want to confess all your sins?
Record. So we come on like, Lord, I cheated. I did everything wrong. Please, God, save me.
Live on YouTube.
This is not the proper forum for that. You got to play. You got to learn the rules of this game here. All right. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated.
And when you're, so I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the defective light ticket. And I'm gonna, with stipulation of probable cause, I'm gonna dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
April 14th, 2022 at review at 8:25 a.m. Don't do me like you do Livonia and not show up and pay. I need to see you back on that morning. It needs to be paid by then, sir.
So you need to see me on what date?
April 14th,
April
2024.
14th.
Strike that. You said 2 weeks. April 21st.
April 21st. Let me put this in my calendar.
At 8:25 a.m. And I need to see it paid by, before then it needs to be paid.
April 24th. Correct?
April 21st, April 21st.
I got you. I'm
That's
doing it
my
now.
mom's birthday, 4/21.
My mom was born the next day. She's a Taurus. She's a Taurus. I'm a Taurus. It's Taurus season.
Yeah. Well, see, now, that's your birthday, the April 22nd?
No, mine's is May 19th. My mom's is April the 20th. So she's right before yours.
All right, so tell your mom you're gonna have to get her a little bit smaller Christmas gift.
I'm gonna make sure I get mom, man. I'll make sure I ain't got no kids. We good.
I didn't say not to get mom. I said make sure to get her a smaller Christmas gift so you can get the 36th District Court their $175 so you don't have to worry about this license getting suspended again.
No, we're gonna make sure you get your 175. Now
and that way you can take mom around still, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Down Bell Isle.
My dad raised me, so it'll be me taking my dad more so than the mom. My dad raised me. I had a father, so it's okay.
Right.
Just let me know how I need to do it. What way do I go online and
I would say not go online and do it. I would say pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. And they have them at the Myers and supermarkets and stuff. Or you can upload that DivDat app to your phone and pay it, or come down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I know how to pay it, at the DivDat kiosk, or come down to the court and pay it.
Okay, I'll just come to the court and pay it.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Duran Lamar Gray, case number SP-124-3616, counts 1 and counts 2. SP-124-36971. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Duran Lamar Gray. Please state your name for the record, Mr. Gray.
Duran Gray. Duran.
Good afternoon. Where are you when you get your driver? How old are you, sir?
I'm 20. I have my driver's license now.
Let me see. Let's pull his driver's license up, please.
If you can pull it out.
Oh, you want me to pull it out?
Yeah, to show
No.
you.
That might not be the work. That might not be work the plastic is printed on, Miss White. I'm gonna check the authority here.
Oh. What?
He could have got that license suspended the day after he got it.
Oh, Lord. Well, the officers could have snipped it real quick, saw the hole in it. That would, you would have caught it.
It sounds valid.
It sounds good. It only has 1 page, but I would expect it to only have 1 page at 20.
And that looks good. That's a good sign.
Yeah, I don't get in no trouble, man. They put me up for no reason.
That's what they all say, sir. All right, he's got a valid driver's license. We'll offer him an expired plate, $145. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yeah, look like, yeah.
We'll dismiss the other matters. All right. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna find him responsible for, as, to the expired plates, $145. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated.
When can you pay, sir?
About 2 weeks.
About 2 weeks. All right, you're gonna come back with, Mr. Gaston at 8:25 a.m. On my mom's birthday, May 21st, 2022, for a review. So we can make sure it's paid and we can make sure it's closed out properly, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a great day. Make sure you get that paid before paying at any div dat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Are you registered to vote, sir?
You say, am I registered to vote?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
We're gonna find that out when you come back.
Okay.
8:25 a.m. What's your date of birth?
11/10/2001.
I have it right here. I'm gonna look it up. Let's look it up right now. Get this young man to be civic minded.
You
Have
said,
you ever voted? Have you ever voted before?
yeah.
Oh, so he is civic minded then. All right. I like that. Let's check to see if he's registered. It's very quick and easy. Are you at 48227 zip code still?
Yes, sir.
No voter record match your search criteria. He's never voted before.
I voted before though. I just voted. When was that? When Donald Trump, when Joe Biden became the president. Yeah, the last vote. I just voted the last.
How did you possibly vote?
At
Birth year. Let me make sure I got all my stuff together.
I voted at church. Yeah, I voted. Yeah. I am in the
They
face.
didn't count that. They didn't count that vote.
I got my stick. So they
go
ain't.
in now and register to vote. All right.
Okay.
And then zoom back in once you're registered. All right. I'm gonna pass this map.
You said go in there and register to vote right now.
Right now, it should take you 2 minutes.
How do you do that again?
Go to SOS, type in Google SOS register to vote.
1 second, I'm finna do it right now.
All right.
Your Honor, I apologize. This is Sloan Gibson. Can I reconfirm that date? My note didn't save in my phone. I apologize.
June 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
All right, let's go call Mr. Goolsby. This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Allen Goolsby. Case number, SP 124-0094, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 124-03371. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Michael Allen Woolsby.
Goolsby, on the second page.
Goolsby.
State your name, record, sir. Michael Allen Goolsby, sir.
Oh, okay.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
No, sir, I have a lien on my license.
Failure to display, $240, dismiss everything else.
10-4, sir.
Is that 10-4? That means you heard me, but does that mean you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right. All right. That's going to be a misdemeanor on your record. It's going to trigger a 30-day suspension, additional 30-day suspension.
That's fine, sir.
when do you plan on getting a license?
My son got in an accident. I'm being sued by Progressive Marathon, and it's an issue with my son, and I got to get this lien taken care of somehow by talking to Progressive Marathon.
I know, but do you plan on?
Oh, definitely, sir. I got
Well,
CDL.
I'm saying, is it gonna be anytime soon?
Yes, sir. I need my professional license back, sir. Yes, sir.
Allowing an unlicensed driver to drive $240, no 30-day suspension, no abstraction on your driver record, and we'll dismiss the allowing once you pay that $240.
That'll be by Monday, sir.
All right. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Well understood, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir, I do.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to August the 19th, 2021, at around 2:06 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Michigan Avenue and 35th Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
I assume I must have, sir.
We can't.
Yes,
assume.
sir. Yes, sir. Okay, fine.
Do you recall it or not?
I recall. I was looking for a door swing place. I'm not from around the area, and he thought I was trolling, I assume. And after I showed him my date to get my things taken
Well,
care
you
of.
were trolling, looking for a door swing place.
And that's not what he was impressed.
Oh, they probably oh.
And I was a little offended by it.
I don't know what else
Yeah,
he would
give it to
be
the next
implying on Michigan Avenue and 35th Street. I don't, you know, I would thought you were looking for a door swing.
I work at 1540 Woodward, sir, and I was trying to fix a couple of small things.
That's what I thought you were gonna be doing.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, sir, on that date, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
No, he did not, sir.
There it goes. So you mean to tell me, you know?
Well, he said to me, sir.
No, you mean to tell me the officer
Okay.
pulls you over? And you mean to tell me, what, he just asked you, were you trolling and looking for a door swing place?
What were you doing, sir? And I said, I said, told him what I was doing. I said, I have all my information right here. I just got this little vehicle I was driving. I had my date of appointment for SOS. I had my clearance papers for my license I just received from Waterford and from downtown Pontiac. And he didn't want to see any of that. He said, truck cars and ballots, that.
Okay, so he didn't ask for a valid license because you admitted to him you didn't have a license right then and there, right?
Sir, I tell you what, I don't recall a situation of ever getting pulled over, and yes, you're correct, and I am wrong. I would like to take responsibility,
Set
sir.
the matter for trial.
No, sir, I would like to take responsibility for
No,
that.
you can't. You have to make an accurate factual basis.
Okay, sir.
I have to take an accurate factual basis. You've told me a couple of different stories now. You said, one, that you weren't asked for a driver's license. You said that you didn't know whether you were pulled over that day at first.
No,
Then,
not that.
wait a minute, you did say that.
No, sir, you asked if I did something wrong to be pulled over, is what I
No,
said.
see.
I misinterpreted your question.
No,
I
no,
misinterpreted your
Yeah,
question.
now you're telling the court what the court said, and I know
I
exactly.
misinterpreted, sir.
what the
No,
court
I
said.
misinterpreted your question, sir. That was my fault.
Oh, that's better.
Yes, I said that.
But you're saying I didn't ask you that, and you
No,
didn't say
sir.
that.
I
You
misinterpreted.
did say that. You said, I don't remember, or I don't know, if I got pulled over that day.
Interpreted the question, sir.
And then you come back and you say, I asked you, was there a valid driver's license? Did he ask you for a valid? You said, no, he didn't ask you for a valid driver's license. You said, I gave him my SOS statement, and basically saying, I don't know, what I interpreted, that you're telling them their license was not valid. Can you help him out in this,
My plate was invalid, sir. That's the reason I'm assuming. And I don't want any trouble, sir. I really don't. I would like to make this.
Well, stop talking, please.
Yes, sir.
Miss White?
Yes, he would have to make admissions to the elements of the violation for the court to accept it. If he can't, we're gonna have to set up a trial.
I'm taking full responsibility, ma'am.
Well, it has to be
Yes,
under
sir.
oath. You have to be very forthrich. It can't be, switch after you said one thing. You have to-
One more time, sir.
Please, I'm sorry, please, sir.
Put your hand out.
Oh, I'm trying to redo this.
Sir, take you back.
Okay,
August 19, 2021, 2:06 PM or thereabouts in the area of Michigan Avenue and 35th Street. Do you recall being pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that date?
yes, sir.
All right. On that date, were you operating a motor vehicle on that date?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that date? Did you have, on that date, did you have a valid driver's license?
No, sir, did not.
Ms. White?
Satisfied. I am satisfied.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That's gonna be a $240 fine with the stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
Thank you. I'm
So
very sorry for
stipulated.
everything previously, and thank you very much. In the heart of the tap, it is.
$240, sir. I told you I dismissed that upon payment of the $240. When can you pay it?
By Monday, sir.
How are you gonna pay it? Are you gonna come back down here and
Yes,
pay
sir.
that?
I work downtown. I'll be down here, yes, sir.
All right, I want you back Monday and bring that receipt.
Yes, sir.
You paid the $240, and then we dismiss the other matters. I'll have you back April the 11th, 2022 for review. And I'm putting 8:25 AM. If it's anywhere near that time, I don't mind you bring that in. We'll close this matter out and we'll dismiss the case.
Sir, may I submit that receipt to your email or something? I'm not sure how that goes. Is that okay?
No, you just bring it back up here to the court.
Okay, good for.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sorry about that. Thank you for your seeing me.
All right.
I'm sorry I was misunderstood like that. Just freaked out a little bit.
All right, this is, who do we have next?
Delete this.
I think I registered to vote, Your Honor.
Let's see what you got, Mr. Gray. Let's see what you got. How do you think you registered?
I'm doing it right. I think I just submitted the application if I ain't mistaken. Cause it took me back to the main screen.
It should have given you, registered to vote. You on the top of the screen there.
Let me see.
Here you go, right here. It just
All right,
took. Yeah.
Let's see if you can put it a little bit closer, as close as you can. Qualifications. No, you're not totally done yet.
I just did this twice though. Like this is my second time redoing this all over again.
It says register to vote online, driver's license address. And then you should, it says, have you updated your driver's license or state ID address with the Secretary of State within the last 10 days?
Nah, just send me to this right here. After I just filled all that out.
Register to vote online. And that's your address, right?
Yeah.
All right, let me see the bottom of it. Turn it back around again.
1 second. Oh damn, where'd it just go? 1 second. It keep closing out.
Who else do we have here? Jabari Green.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you? Good afternoon.
Very well. Let's see what we have for you. All right. What about these payment plans, sir? What are you gonna do with this stuff?
My payment plan?
Yeah,
Well, I didn't know if they were still active, because if they still active, I was, I'm more than willing to start making my payments again. I just went through a real bad financial situation with the COVID, and then I had a motorcycle accident.
Oh, that's because they are.
here, if you go, Mr. Future Billionaire.
Yeah, it say you are currently registered to vote at the address below already. If you want to update your voting address, you can do so by clicking the change my address button below.
All right, that'll work. That'll work. All right. That's what they call me. That's what they call me, the billionaire. Listen, come, what do you need to do? You need to come back on the 24th. Now listen, Mr. Gray. I can force you to register to vote, right? I can do that, but I can't force you to vote. You have to. You have to do that on your own. And it sounds like you at least made an attempt to vote at the last election, and I applaud you for that, because it's young people like yourself. You guys have to get, and ladies, you have to get civic minded. And you have to start involving yourself in the process, because there's people out there that are spending hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and billions of dollars to try to make sure that you can't vote. And they're doing it for a reason. All right? Don't let them get that satisfaction, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your vote does count. It does mean something. And you need to make sure that you get in the game and tell all your partners to get in the game.
Okay.
All right?
Yes, sir.
I want to see you back on April the 21st, 2022. And I know you're going to use some of those billions that you're making and pay this fine off.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So we get the stuff closed out. All right? But keep
May 22nd?
May 21st.
May 21st.
So keep that in mind, and make sure that this upcoming election, we got an election coming up in August. Make sure you start getting these materials and start reading this stuff to know who's best aligns with who. You're the future of this city. Make sure that you pick the people that best align with your philosophies are and how the city should be. All right. Because it definitely counts. All right, are you working?
Yeah.
All right, you finished high school?
Yeah, I finished high school. I'd have been to college twice. All type of stuff.
There it is. So what about finishing college then?
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm gonna get back in. My mama had messed up my information the first go around, so I had to take a step back.
Well, look here, Mr. Gray. You're 20 years old now. My brother dropped me off at college at 17, and I thought he was gonna stay for the orientation. And I'm like, I see all the people with their mothers and fathers going to the orientation, and he's about to leave. I said, where you going? We gotta go to orientation. He said, you on your own. I was scared in the mud. I've never been that far away from home in my life, and I didn't know what to do. But you got to figure it out, all right?
Yeah.
You're young. You can do anything with your life, sir. So come back and make sure you make this payment, and then we'll talk again, all right?
Okay.
Have a great day, sir.
Powerhouse attorney brother brought in a new and now powerhouse attorney, now judge. You can do the same.
Or anything or anything else you want to do. Get that future billionaire. If you put your mind to it, you'll do it.
Okay, have a good day.
You as well, sir. All right, Mr. Jabari Green.
Yes.
Hold on a second. You have, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Jabari James Alex Green. Case number 207-181-281. SP 124-5176 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 124-5177 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rita White on behalf of Mr. Jabari Green. Please state your name, Mr. Green.
Jabari Green.
All right, sir. Do we have Jabari Green's file?
Okay.
There's no offer here, sir. Let's give him a rein. Let's get him back. I don't have a city attorney.
Await formal reading, stand mute. Requesting a not guilty plea be entered for Mr. Green.
All right, I don't have a city attorney to get you an offer, sir, so I'm going to give you a pretrial date of June the 17th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. You need to get back down here and start getting back on this payment plan to get this other stuff cleared up.
You said that's at 8:30?
At 8:30, we're gonna waive that, we're gonna recall that warrant on 207-181-281. Enter not guilty plea on his behalf. We put a $0 bond on this stuff. Yeah, set June 17th, 2020 at 8:30. You got some stuff here that needs to be taken care of. You got some work to do.
Yes, I'm well aware.
What I'm gonna do is, you got some work to do. You got stuff that you owe, that you've made agreements with, that you haven't set up the agreements with, and you got stuff that you haven't set up the agreements with that you owe. So let's get you back on June the 17th, 2022. Hopefully it's gonna be some movement on those, and then by that time, we should have an offer in your file. All right,
All
sir?
right. Yes, I greatly appreciate that.
June 17th. Have a great day.
All right.
All right, Ms. White, Ms. Williams-Law, Ms. Nash, I think that will do it for
Yay,
today.
I'm going to jump in the air.
Do it for the weekend. Long weekend.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Have a great one.
Have a better one. All right, I'll see you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.